All right, so let's talk about debug show subsessions in toolbar. So this setting controls whether the debug subsessions are shown in the debug toolbar. When the setting is false, the stop command on a subsession will also stop the parent session. Now, this setting is set to false by default, and if you set it to true, it becomes much easier to see which debug sessions are related to which debug sessions and which processes are related to which processes. So if you set this to false, I have a demo here. So this is just a JavaScript file that's going to create 16 forks because I have 16 cores on my computer. So if we run this, we're going to see the 16 subprocesses here and here, right? And there's no way to visually distinguish that you have no hint that these processes are subprocesses of the main process, right? So there's no visual distinction there. Now, if you, neither here nor here. If you, however, change this to true, and now we need to stop the debug session, we need to kill this terminal here. If you don't kill it, when you change the setting from false to true or from true to false, it will not take. So we have to kill it. Okay, and now we can start again. And notice that not only are these processes child processes of the main one here in the call stack, you can also see that they are indented here in the toolbar, right? Which is what this setting pertains to. I find this useful, so I'm going to leave this setting set to true.